Welcome to the REDATS channel. My name is Hubert, and in today's video I'll show you how to balance steel and alloy wheels on the W-680 wheel balancer using the 12 o'clock adhesive mode and the laser adhesive mode. Enjoy the video. We'll start by balancing a steel wheel. After cleaning and inflating the wheel, we mount it on the balancer. First, we choose the right cone for the center hole of the rim and place it on the end of the shaft. Then we mount the wheel and tighten it with the clamping nut. Now we move on to entering the parameters. We place the measuring arm with the round end under the rim flange. Hold it for a moment and release. Then we take the width measuring arm and place it under the rim on the other side. Hold it for a moment and release. We remove the old weights from the rim and close the guard. The balancer tells us that to balance this wheel, we'll need 20 grams on the left and 25 grams on the right. We raise the guard and press the up arrow so the machine positions the imbalance point. We have the right side, take the weight, in our case 20 grams, and attach it exactly at the 12 o'clock position. Press the up arrow to position the other side. Here we have 25 grams. Take the weight, attach it also at the 12 o'clock position, and close the guard. The balancer shows 0-0, which means the wheel is balanced. We remove the steel wheel and move on to the alloy one. Just like before, after cleaning and inflating the wheel, we start by selecting the cone and placing it on the shaft. Then we mount the wheel and tighten it with the clamping nut. We check if there are any old weights on the rim. If there are, we need to remove them and clean off the adhesive residue. Take the measuring arm and place it at the left adhesive weight position. Hold it for a moment. When you hear the beep, the display will indicate that you need to move the arm to the second adhesive position. Don't retract the arm, just extend it deeper into the rim and place it at the second adhesive position. When you hear the second beep, you can release the arm. For alloy wheels, we don't use the width measuring arm to enter parameters. The machine has read the weight parameters. The first parameter is the distance from the machine to the first weight. The second parameter is the distance from the first to the second weight. The last parameter is the diameter of the rim we're working with. The machine also automatically selects a program based on the entered parameters. On the screen, we see two red squares indicating that the machine selected the program for 2 adhesive weights inside the rim. We can close the guard to weigh the wheel. We have 35 grams on the left and 25 grams on the right. Now, if we want to change the balancing mode for the alloy wheel, we go to the first tile. Here we can choose from 3 modes. The first is adhesive weight placement using the measuring arm. The second is adhesive weight placement at 12 o'clock, that is at the top. The third is adhesive placement at 6 o'clock using the laser. Today we'll balance this wheel using both the 12 o'clock and the laser modes. We'll start with the 12 o'clock mode. We select this mode and press OK. Now we press the up arrow so the machine sets the imbalance position. We have the right side. Take the weight, 25 grams, and stick it at the 12 o'clock position. Press the up arrow to position the other side. Here we have 35 grams. Take the weight and stick it also at the 12 o'clock position. We can close the guard to check. We have 0, 0. We'll balance the wheel again, but this time using the laser mode. We remove the weights and close the guard. We have 35 grams on the left and 25 grams on the right. We go to the first tile and change the mode to laser, adhesive at 6 o'clock. Press the up arrow so the machine sets the imbalance point. We have the left side. Take the weight, 35 grams, and stick it at 6 o'clock. So that the laser light touches the left side of the weight and splits the weight evenly. Press the up arrow to position the other side. Here we have 25 grams. Take the weight and stick it the same way on the other side. We can close the guard to check. We have 0, 0, so the wheel is balanced. This is how the REDATS W-680 wheel balancer handles balancing steel and alloy wheels. If you're interested in more videos featuring this or other machines from our range, feel free to check out our channel.